All right, so I'm going to finish everything off and make some salsa for the week. I have some tomatoes, my lovely little cherry red type of tomatoes. You can see that they're getting a little wilted, so I figured that I would throw them in the bullet and make a quick salsa that I can use. So let's get started. So what we have here, we've got the tomatoes that I'm going to use, and I've got a nice bunch of cilantro. I love cilantro. Then I have a jalapeno, and we're going to cut open this jalapeno and take out the seeds. We have some lime. We have some nice diced red onion, some pepper, Himalayan salt, and then I'm going to throw in a little bit of garlic too. So then I have my trusty bullet here. We're going to use that, and then we're going to mix everything in this bowl right here. So let's get started. I'm going to first go with the tomatoes. I'm going to put a bunch of tomatoes in here, and I'm going to chop everything in the bullet, and I'm going to use this bowl to mix everything in. So we're just going to use a little bit right now. We'll see how much this makes. This around so it's in the shot. It's going to turn out to be a little soupy, but that's okay. It's got a bunch of air in there, and this will settle down. All I know is that I have to use my tomatoes. I think we can use most of them. We'll do that one more time with this next batch. I pulsed this. See how that came out a little bit better? Okay. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cilantro. I'm a heavy cilantro user, and stems and all. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. And then see our jalapeno. We want to go and dig this out. This is where your heat is going to come from, all of your seeds. So take out your seeds. I'm going to rough cut this in here, and I'll add this as we go along. I'm going to take my lime. I'm just going to put half of it. Maybe we'll squeeze most of it, and we'll adjust the taste. Now this is just the cilantro. I need to get it watery, so I'll mix some of the tomatoes in there. I don't want to use any additional water.